Hey guys, so AGM has launched the AGM X6 series. Now the series consists of the AGM X6 and the AGM X6 Phantom, which is also known as the AGM X60 in the Chinese market. Now this is a mid-range 5G rugged series, not necessarily a true contender to the likes of the Ulefone 26 Ultra or the Black VBO 9000 Pro, but these rugged phones are still quite decent 5G rugged devices. So in this video, we'll be talking about the X6 Phantom. It's a really nice rugged phone with a really nice design. It has a transparent rear cover, which is very nice. I think this is one of the few rugged phones with such a very nice design. And some of the unique selling points of this device includes a thermometer sensor, which helps with temperature check. Now, the models included in the series are a little bit confusing when it comes to some details. According to the details, one of the devices in the series features a night vision camera, while the other features a thermometer sensor. Anyway, let's explore the top specs and features of the AGM X6 Phantom. So there we go guys, the X6 Phantom. As you can see, it's a pretty decent rugged phone and it's very cheap. It's about $209.99 on AliExpress, which is approximately $210. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about the AGM X6 Phantom in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.